This is a bird, written by Bethany Page. Focus question. How are the birds in this book alike? How are they different? This is a bird. All birds have feathers, and all birds have beaks, but all birds are different too. This is a bird. Its beak is long and sharp, and its feathers are black and white. It is an emperor penguin. This is a bird. Its beak is its beak is long and hooked, and its feathers are white. It is a pelican. This is a bird. Its beak is sharp and hooked, and its feathers are black. It is a turkey vulture. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers are white. This is a chicken. This is a bird. Its beak long and black, and its feathers are brown. This is our mother duck. Is this a bird? Its beak is long and curved, and feathers are brown. It is a fraser. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp. Its feathers are red. This is a cardinal. This is a bird. Its beak long and thin, and its feathers are purple, green, and gray. It's called a hummingbird. In some way, all birds are same. All birds have beak, and all birds have feathers, but all birds are different too.